Good evening, parents. Welcome to Oliver Hoover Elementary's open house for 24-25 school year. My name is Mercy Aguilar and I'm the proud principal at Oliver Hoover Elementary. Let's meet our administrative staff. We've got Ms. Yaguno, who's the assistant principal at the PLC, Dr. Lopez, who's the assistant principal at our main building. We've got Ms. Montero, our media specialist, and Ms. Gonzalez, our school counselor. We're very proud to be an A-rated school for the 23rd year in a row. We know we cannot do it without our students and our parents' support. Parents, I encourage you to apply for free or reduced lunch. The link is directly located on our website. Parents, you also need to make sure you have proper ID upon entering the building. You'll be stopped immediately upon entry, so please make sure you have your ID. We are a mandatory school uniform school. That means all students must be in complete uniform. Students may wear the t-shirt on Wednesday, and the rest of the days they need to wear a polo with a collar, either royal blue or white. For the bottom, students could wear either khakis or navy blue. They could wear pants, long shorts. The ladies could wear skirts. For sweaters or jackets, students could wear a navy blue or royal blue sweaters with no hoodie. They have to have a zipper. Any questions, please make sure you reach out to the administration. Cell phones. We know most of our students have cell phones, but while on campus, all cell phones must be off at all times. Parents, a few reminders to please join our PTA, our Parent Teacher Association. They do a lot of wonderful fundraising activities that directly impact our school. Parents, just a reminder that if you want a parent-teacher conference, please make sure you request one this evening or at a later time via email. And we're very happy to welcome Oliver Wise Owl back to our school. We hope to have a successful school year.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to our open house. My name is Mrs. Yaguno, and I am one of your assistant principals here at Oliver Hoover. If you haven't done so yet, please make sure that you create your parent portal account. This is a necessary tool for you to use in order to see your child's grades, attendance, as well as pay for after-school care and field trips. In order to create your parent portal account, please visit www.dateschools.net and click on Portal. Here you will need your parent PIN. If you do not have the parent PIN, please contact the office and we can help you with that information. Have you visited our amazing website, hoover.dateschools.net? If you haven't, please make sure you visit every day, as we have up-to-date information, activities, not to mention our amazing WOHE TV news crew. And don't forget to add Oliver Hoover Elementary School to your Class Dojo account. Safety is the #1 priority here at Oliver Hoover. So parents, please make sure that you stay in your vehicles during arrival and dismissal. Also, don't forget to place on your dash the sheet that was given to you by your child's teacher, which has your child's name, teacher, and grade. This will help with the flow of traffic during dismissal. And now we have our other wonderful assistant principal, Dr. Lopez. Have a wonderful evening.
Good evening. Buenas noches. Welcome to the 2024 Oliver Hoover Open House. My name is Maria Lopez and I am proud to be an assistant principal at Oliver Hoover Elementary School. I'd like to welcome you to a brand new and exciting school year, a school year that will be full of adventures. Always remember that you are your child's first teacher. Please support our school's efforts, promote reading and learning in your home, and bring your children to school on time every day. The habits that your children learn during their early years will help them become successful and productive citizens in the future. That is why attendance is so important. Parents, remember that if you have children in grades VPK through first grade, the suggested arrival time is 8:10. That will give your children sufficient time to go to the lineup area and wait for their teacher to pick them up and take them to class. Children who arrive at school after 8:20 or who are walking through the main gate at 8:20 will be tardy. So please make sure that you come with sufficient time for your child to walk to class on time. For students in grades 2 through 5, the suggested arrival time is 8:25. Children who arrive through the gate at 8:35 or who are not in class sitting at 8:35 are late. So please make sure that you leave your children on time for them to make it to class. Now, we don't give attendance grades. However, attendance is very important. As you can see from our graphic, healthy or good attendance is actually attendance that is 95% or higher, just like school grades. So that means in terms of attendance that children should be absent no more than 10 times during the school year. Obviously, we understand that there are times when children are sick and must remain home, and sometimes there are more serious conditions. But generally speaking, children who have 90% or less attendance, those are the children that we need to worry about in terms of missing school and not being able to learn all of the required information. So please make sure that if your child is healthy, that they're in school all the time and on time. We will have this year several attendance incentives. We have our weekly attendance raffles. We have class incentives. We keep track of each class's attendance and we give them treats. We will be having new and improved attendance and punctuality celebrations this year. And also we will be celebrating the grade levels with the best attendance with an attendance breakfast for the children and their families. So those are all things to look forward to. Unfortunately, we also have consequences for poor attendance, and those will include the loss of field trips and special activities. One final reminder is that we, throughout the year, do many fun and exciting activities, and we like to post these activities on the website and also on social media. For that, we need your media release, so please make sure that you submit this form so that we're able to post your child enjoying the many adventures that we will have this year at Oliver Hoover Elementary School. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.